as well as duplicate, mirror, rotate, and easily delete. So Kathy Kersnowski, think about your Flipmoji scenes. This will make it so much easier for you to do that.
Are you interested in making a Flipmoji scene in which you are the character in a Flipgrid scene that you create with stickers and pictures and texts and emojis? Easy cheesy. I'm looking at my scene that I've created and I see a few things that I think I could do better. For instance, my boat back here. It's back here, and I was thinking I could use it in the front. No problem. I have a forward arrow, which will bring it to the foreground, and a down arrow, which will put it in the background. Let's leave it in the foreground. Did you know that when you're making a Flipgrid video, these controls will go away, but you can still move images to make them active when you record? Let's try it. Here we are, sailing the 7 seas. Look at that. Head over to this island right here. I think there might be a special delivery. Here it comes. I'm dragging out a special delivery. And I'll start recording again. Special delivery. Special delivery for the island. Now I think the boat should go back the other direction, don't you? So let's just click on the boat. Oh, let's stop recording first. Click on the boat. We get our controls back and I can flip them. And now our sailboat is ready to head home. Ready? And now he's sailing home now that he's left that very special book present. But wait a minute. I have one more thing I can show you. Let's make a splash. Let's grab one of these and just simply duplicate it by clicking this. And now there's an extra splash up because that boat certainly has made a splash by leaving such an awesome gift. Hope you enjoyed this Flipmoji Scenes tutorial.
Oh no, the aliens, they created a horrible monster with their terrifying and beginning ray. Oh no, the monster is coming back. No, it's knocking everything off the tops of the building. Oh, what are we going to do? Hi, so as you can see, I've been traveling into space and I met some awesome creatures. A space girl, hi, and a nice alien, hello. So they're speaking a strange language, but they've got something they want to say to you.
On adore les nouveaux Flipgrid, surtout avec les emojis.
So basically, they love the new Flipgrid features.
Haha! Welcome to my laboratory. I have been experimenting over the summer break on how to use Flipgrid's new emojis and AI and VR techniques to improve student learning.